Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can remove this recycle bin icon from your desktop completely. You're always going to have it over here as long as you keep it pinned. But if you unpin it, you can always search for recycle bin over here, and it should always be here no matter what. Anyways, we're gonna keep it pinned to the start because if we ever wanna basically find it, and we're just gonna unpin Edge. Wait, I turned it on. Well, I pinned it to the taskbar. Unpin from start. Yeah. So how do we do it? We just wanna go over to search. From here, you wanna do themes and related settings. From themes and related settings, you're gonna find desktop icon settings. Open this up. Over here, we have recycle bin. Uncheck the recycle bin and press on apply. Press on OK, and boom, the recycle bin is completely gone, and now our desktop just looks slightly better. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.